Happy Monday evening. This is your dinner for tonight. It's so scrummy, so super easy. Meals can be so healthy and so easy. So this is raw cooked shrimp with fresh scallops in there with broccoli and mushrooms, and this is what I use for my spaghetti. I love the Ezekiel sprouted, the breads and the pastas, so it's really got 8 grams of protein, and it's all plant-based, and this is my sauce that I use. It's really low in sugar. I go for the low in sugars. Put a salad with it, and we're going to have our poppy seed dressing. Look at that yucky stuff that's sitting on my counter right now. Ricky went to the Redskin game last night, and it is sad. That was a sad night for me. Ricky, what you got to say about that Redskin game?
Go, hail to the Redskins.
Woo! No.
Big win.
Yes. No.
NFC.
What?
First place.
Yuck.
Redskins. Yay!
What do you guys say about your wife's cooking?
Awesome. Like usual. I can't wait to dig into it. So what are we waiting for?
I don't know. All right, guys. Have a good evening. Say bye.
Toodles.
Bye. I have to live with that Redskin fan guy. Go Cowboys. We're not going to be fair weather friends. I'm still going to root them on.
Well, I would expect you to.
Uh-oh.
I really would expect you to be a Redskin fan by now, but
That's what keeps the
you do have
excitement.
a few downfalls.
I got a few downfalls. Seriously?
Seriously.
Does he want breakfast in the morning?
Absolutely, because I'm going to cook it.
Oh, he does cook breakfast. All right, guys. Have a good evening.